What do Zimbabweans really eat on a typical day? Have you ever wondered what they eat on a typical day? So welcome to this vlog, and it's the Makumiles again. So that was us eating pap. That is pap, we call it sadza, right? And then that is chicken. It is fried chicken, nyama yehuku. That's nyama yehuku. And then that is just soup, your ordinary soup. So what we do is we prepare soup with tomatoes, onions, maybe spices or something else. Don't mind me, I was just enjoying the food, right? It was cooked by someone special. Yeah. So can you see the way that he was enjoying the food? Can you see the way that he was tasting the food? It was really nice, and I was even folding my feet, showing that I was really, really, really enjoying myself. So guys, that's what we eat. Zimbabweans eat sadza almost every day. If you're a typical Zimbabwean, pap is your go-to. Okay, we are not going to eat the whole pap there. It was just for the video, but we normally eat pap in our day-to-day lives. So what we do is we just prepare our pap with normal water. We don't put salt, we don't ferment it. We ferment porridge only, not pap. So that was us eating pap. Is that one. I was trying to test him, like test what he was going to do, but unfortunately he didn't fall for it. Like, guy was not falling for it. Hey, but yeah, I tried again. That's why I was busy laughing. But yeah, he didn't fall for it. Hey, I was busy laughing and I was enjoying my pap. So we eat our pap, and then, okay, what was he doing there? Oh no, my goodness. Yo, Jesus. That was him enjoying his pap. And I was also eating my small portions as a lady, hey. But yeah, okay, I was enjoying my pap right there. But yeah, that's how we eat our pap. So do you also, you guys, do you eat separately or you eat together? Because definitely me and him, we always eat together, eh? Like, that's how we eat every day. We eat together. We share our food, basically. Like, we don't have separate plates, like him having his own, I having my own. No, we eat in the same plate, and that's just us. That's how we make our thing work, right? Like, that's how our household runs. That's what we do. We enjoy ourselves eating together. What is your culture? How do you do it in your house, and how does it work in your house? Let me know in the comments what you eat when you eat pap. Do you eat pap with chicken? Is it chicken stew that you like, or chicken, just fried chicken? So let me know in the comments what you enjoy. But yes guys, we enjoy pap with chicken and also with our soup there. So yeah, that's me and Bay just enjoying ourselves, enjoying our pap and chicken. Let us know which part you liked, and if you like more of this content, let us know in the comments. Bye.